Hey guys, it's Bryan again, and I have Todd here who's going to act as a patient for me. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite exercises for generalized low back tightness. The first exercise I'm going to show you is Piriformis Stretch. I'm going to show you 2 variations of it. The first exercise here, I'm going to have Todd, you're going to take your right leg, you're going to cross it over. We're going to take both hands and we're going to reach for your knee. From there, what you're going to do, Todd, is you're going to gently pull that knee up and across towards the opposite shoulder. Todd, you should be feeling the stretch down right in the right buttock there. Okay? When you're stretching, you want to ensure that the stretch is strong but comfortable and not too painful. What we're going to do for this exercise is hold for 30-second count and relax, and you're going to do 3 of them. From here, if you're not feeling a strong enough stretch or you want to progress it, we're going to go to an additional step. You're going to keep that leg crossed just like that, and what you're going to do, Todd, is you're going to take your hands, you're going to reach for your opposite leg, grab it underneath the knee, and you're going to pull it up toward your chest. And again, like I repeated, you're going to feel that stretch right in the right buttock there. For exercise number 2, I'm going to show Todd a lower trunk rotation. Just like the first, we're going to do 2 variations of this. The first one, Todd, I'm going to have you place your feet together, keeping your knees bent. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to gently rock side to side. So Todd, you're going to take your knees, you're going to rock off to the side, ensuring that the upper back stays flat so all the rotation occurs through the lower back. You're going to hold it for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to bring that up, and you're going to rock off over to the other side. As you do this exercise, you want to ensure that you're not going through excruciating pain. If you are experiencing pain, you want to stop on that edge of pain. For this exercise, you're going to do 10 to each side, holding for 5 seconds. From there, I like to add a little variation. It gets a little bit more of the hip, the IT band, quadratus involved. So what we're going to do, Todd, is we're going to cross that leg over your right leg. We're going to get right into the position like our first exercise, a Piriformis Stretch. But from here, we're going to do a rotation. So Todd, you're going to drop your leg off to the side. And same thing, you're going to hold for 5 seconds. And then you bring it up. And then you're going to rock off to the other side. Just as in the first one, you're going to do 10 of those to each side, holding for 5 seconds. Because it's different from one side to the other, after we do 10, you're going to uncross your leg. Todd's going to cross his other leg over. And repeat on the other side, do a 10 to each side. For the third exercise, I have Todd here in a quadruped position. You can do this either on a table or on the floor if you're comfortable getting down onto the floor or back up. The quadruped position is good because we can get full segmental mobility. We're going to do a cat-cow exercise. So Todd, what I'm going to have you do for me is we're going to drop our head and we're going to reach up and arch our back like we're trying to reach towards the ceiling. Up, up, up. This will get to the cervical spine, your thoracic spine, as well as your lumbar spine. Ensuring when we get the lumbar spine, you're trying to tuck that butt just like you're trying to be a dog and tuck the tail underneath. After that, you're going to hold for about 5 seconds. You're going to relax and you're going to reverse the motion. Todd's going to look up. We're going to have him drop his back down like he's trying to bring the belly towards the table and arching through that low back. He's going to hold that for 5 seconds as well. He's going to repeat those motions going down and up 20 times.